people treat their headlamps like a just-in-case item, something that just lives on the bottom of the pack. It only comes out when things go sideways. But darkness, it doesn't wait for you to be ready. And when it hits, it changes everything. A lot of hikers believe, I've got a light with me, it'll be fine. That's where things start to go wrong, because it isn't about owning a headlamp. It's about whether that light actually works when you need it. And for a lot of people, that answer is no. They haven't turned it on in months. They've never checked the battery. It's just there. Picture this. You're on a trail. Everything's going fine until it isn't. You take a wrong turn, or the hike runs longer than you expected. Now the light is fading. Quicker than you thought it would. And suddenly, you're doing that mental math. How far is it to the trailhead? Can I make it there? You reach for your headlamp and it's dim. You click again, nothing. That's the moment everything shifts. The trail you were cruising on now feels completely different. Footing gets sketchy, shadows hide roots and rocks, trail markers are hard to see, and for your confidence, it drops fast because now you're not just hiking. You're trying not to make a mistake, and mistakes in the dark stack up quickly. This is the part that hikers underestimate. It's not just about visibility. It's about control. When you can't see clearly, you slow down too much or rush too fast. You second guess your decisions. You burn energy thinking through every step. That's how small problems turn into big ones. A solid light doesn't just help you see. It helps you stay steady. It lets you move with intention instead of reacting to every little sound around you. And that's a big difference. So where do hikers mess up? First, they buy something cheap and never test it. This goes straight into the pack and stays there until the one time it matters. Second, they rely on a single light. If that one fails, there's no plan B. Third, no extra batteries. And if you hike in colder temps, that problem shows up even faster. And then there's this one. Using your phone. I get it. It feels like a backup, but it's not a good one. It drains quickly. You lose access to maps if it dies. And it's awkward to use when you need to use both hands. So here's what experienced hikers tend to do instead. They carry a dependable headlamp, not the cheapest option, something they trust. They bring a second light, small, but it's needed. And they check their gear before heading out. Quick, easy, every time. They carry extra batteries or make sure everything is fully charged. And most importantly, they've used their light before. They know how it performs and they know what to expect. So when the sun drops, nothing about it is unfamiliar. And that's the difference. The 10 essentials were never meant to be a box that you check. They're meant to work when things don't go as planned. And illumination, it's one of those things that gets overlooked, right up until you actually need it. Having a headlamp isn't the goal. Being able to depend on it is. If you're getting value from this series and you want to go deeper than just a gear list, Hit subscribe so you know when my next video is posted. Next time, we'll tackle 2 essentials, food and water. If you want to check out my previous 10 essentials videos for navigation, fire, and more, you can click this playlist right here. And as always, see you on the trail.